making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close.
Kanina pa ako salita ng salita, hindi pala kayo naka-on. So si Jan, umuwi ng bahay after niya makat yung grass. And then may kinuha lang siya sa shed. Tapos kumain siya 2 spring rolls. Then nilutuan ko rin yung 2 boys na tig-2. Nakagawa pala ako ng 40 yung nabalot ko, hindi pa tapos. And may dala rin ako kay Holly. Double check ko yung yung bag ni Holly, kung dala ko ba lahat ng dress niya, yung costumes niya ba for the concert. Kasi ngayon nga yung dress rehearsal. So ang una niyang susutin ay yung kinahikong puti. 3:05 na guys. Mamadali ako. Medyo late tayo kasi nga tinapos ko yung mga gawain doon sa bahay. Naghugas pa ako. So 110 naman yung speed limit dito. Nasa 105 tayo. Oh. Nasaan yung shades ko? Mainit. Madaming cars na papunta sa bay kasi nga mainit, so baka mag-swimming sila. Ang dami ko na kakasalub ng mga cars. Ito talaga na yung summer. Feel ko na yung summer kasi mainit. Dito tayo sa school nila Holly. Dito ako sa pinakaunahan. Kasi puno na doon. So dito ako mismo sa may papasok sa school ni Holly. And anyway, ayun, may baon tayong spring rolls. Hindi ako nakakain ng spring rolls kasi after ko siyang lutuin, nag-ayos na ako sa sarili ko. So binaon ko na lang siya. So gamit na natin yung seed and sprout na glass container. Anong bang tawag dito? Baonan na lang para madali. And meron din ako para kay Holly. And nagdala ako pinakurat, nilagay ko dito sa lalagyan ng sauce ng mga bata. But parang ang lapit ko. Ayan. Kain tayo guys. Sarap. Ang cute nito oh. Diba? Katapat tayo sa araw, mainit. Ang sikat ng araw. So hindi ako magreklamo. Kasi bihira lang wow, this is the first time na sobrang init. Second na siguro. Hi! Come on baby.
Mom.
Yeah?
See?
What?
Forget
Oh,
my
no.
Mary Poppins.
What's that?
My costume.
No. I bring everything.
Oh my god.
Which one?
With a purple skirt and that white thing.
Yeah, I bring everything.
Oh, for you.
What?
Maya just told me that at school.
Yeah, this one.
Oh my god. Did you see it?
Yes, I do. I bring everything. Everything. Here.
Thank goodness.
Takot siya sa
and Mom, she
teachers.
said we
Lahat
need-
sila. Yeah.
She said we need our hair slicked back.
Yeah, it's alright. That one's slick. It's alright.
Oh, yes, right.
Okay.
No, I was gonna.
Oh my God.
That's what I was gonna.
What?
Mary was gonna yell at me.
Yeah, napaka-stricto dito sa school, guys. Kaya lagi namin dala, kahit hindi kailangan, dala ko lahat. As in, ganun. Just in case na kailangan na. Yeah, here. I got.
You already did.
Huh?
You already did.
No, I have spring rolls for you.
Yeah.
Eat that now before you change. Okay.
You made.
Yes, I did.
You made the chubby ones.
Yeah. Put your seatbelt so we can go. Okay, alis na kami, guys.
It's earlier now, Mum.
Huh?
It's not 4 o'clock now.
It's 4 o'clock.
No, it's not.
Yeah, I saw the Facebook page.
I said it was 4. Sorry.
No. It's supposed to be 3:45, but they said
But she said to be there early.
no. No. She was said that yesterday that you have to be there 3:45, but she post something on Facebook that you don't have to. You can come at least before 4, so it's alright.
Okay.
You're good. Because I checked the Facebook. May kasi kami may Facebook page na group.
Bring me any water.
Yes, I did. I have popcorn for you.
Are we there until 7:30?
Okay, dito na tayo. Okay, spray your hands.
Look at my hands.
What happened to your...
It's just my paper cup. It's just bloody.
Alright, get changed now. Holly, listen. Costumes, make sure you put in your bag because you're gonna use this tomorrow. Nandito lahat. Okay, let's go. Putid ko na to. Dito ako sa bahay. Madali tayo kasi magluluto lang ako ng dinner nila. Ano? You clean your room? Nilinis niya yung kanyang kwarto. How about you? Yung hindi pa siya tapos maglinis sa kwarto niya kasi sinintay niya si Holly.
Oh, yeah, ma'am.
No. Kinuha ko yung yung kanilang PS remote and keyboard para alam nila may task
But we
sila.
don't want the
Ano?
peaceful.
How's the spring rolls, boys? Ah, ito pala yung cake. Hindi ko kasi nilang pakita. Ayan na yung cake. Custard cake natin. So, ang gagawin ko lang talaga is lutuin yung kanilang dinner. Then, alis ulit ako. And binigyan ko si Kuya ng favorites. Kasi para sa Kris Kringle niya, ayaw niya itong Marvelous Creations Edition. Hindi raw ito kakainin ng friend niya. So, hindi siya masasayang. May paggagamitan tayo nito. Dalawa ang binili ko niyan. Okay. Kunin ko yung lutuin ko muna yung pasta. And then, preheat ko yung oven. Kuya! Can you please? Sir? Okay.
Yes, Bob.
Can you please put this in the bin?
Yeah.
Thank you.
We're doing Tato's room now, Pop.
Alright. Gusto
And
kasi
then you get the PS.
now you have to clean,
Yeah, we
clean.
will clean. Because when you get back from Holly, it'll be clean.
Hope so.
What bin is it?
The recycle one. All these. That.
All
Okay.
of them.
Yes, I need butter. So, gawin tayong butter. And nag-save ako ng ito yung yung liquid doon sa pinakulang kong pasta. Ito yung slurry natin para lumapot agad. Hala, mabilis 6 o'clock na. Dapat 6:30 makaalis na ako dito. Ayan na, okay na to. Okay, lagay ko na tong pasta. Hindi ito magkakasya. Isa lang ko muna yung ating steak. Mga 5 to 8 minutes lang.
Is that you?
Yeah, mate. What? Oh, that's a star, mate.
Kasi maraming nagsisend ng picture kay Jan nung mga kabataan niya. Tapos si Tulana, yung pinaka gusto ko yung kay Tulana kasi ang liit-liit pa ni Tulana. Siguro mga, wala pang 1-year-old si Tulana or 1. Silang dalawa ni Jan. Oh, yan yung pinapakita niya kay Zach. Yung steak. Si Kuya gusto niya ganito, medyo red. So kay Kuya. Ayan. Medium rare. Yan ang gusto niyang steak na luto. Mapula-pula pa. Ito, well done to. Well done. Yung steak ni Johnny Boy. Andito yung ating bread rolls. Nalagyan niya na ng butter. And yung truffle pasta and more steak. Okay. Yes. I saved one for Holly.
Oh, well, that is
Look at that.
the middle one.
Just about.
Huh?
Pasta.
Good?
Yes, well, I don't know.
Pasta bar.
Ah, pasta. Sorry.
It's not hot. I need to cool off. Can we open that?
Yeah. Put the screen.
Try and get me.
Is yours well done, honey?
No, that's alright.
You good? Ah, a bit red. It's alright?
Yeah.
Joking.
Happy birthday, hon.
Thank you. Thank you.
birthday.
Yeah, go.
Happy
Yeah,
birthday.
thank
Okay.
Yum.
I'm going
What
back
time
to
have you got out?
7:15.
And
What?
my mum.
Huh?
What, Mum?
So, bumalik lang talaga ako dito para pakainin sila.
Oh, it's hot.
I know. Put the screen. Open the screen.
I want to click it back on.
Go.
Half of it.
Nainitan siya. Alright, see ya. Bye. Enjoy your dinner.
Oh, go down.
See ya. Love you.
When you get back. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no. You have to clean. What's wrong with your head,
Yeah,
hon?
that's what I thought.
What? I'll scratch it, did I?
No, that's rude.
Yeah.
You like it, Annie? Okay. I better go. Bye.
So Mum will be-
Yeah, love you. Super fun? You enjoy it? Okay, good luck tomorrow. Tingnan. Kuhaan ko lang si Kuya ng pang Kris Kringle niya. Yung favorites na isang klaseng chocolate, hindi yung... Huh?
Okay.
I already have cake.
What is it?
Custard cake. I made custard cake for Daddy. Okay. Kunin natin yung chocolate na gusto ni Kuya, tsaka Skittles daw.
Did you get?
Kasi ayaw niya yung binili ko kanina. What?
Because I got the favorite.
Yes, I did, but he doesn't want that one. I have to get the normal one. Ayan, ito yung gusto ni Kuya. Okay, just get one. Because I already got the other one. Ito yung kinuha ko. Ayan. Ayan ni Kuya ng Marvelous Creation.
That.
Yeah.
These ones.
Yeah, the same. This one. Ah, no. Oh, iba din to? Ultimate. Ah, okay. Ang dami pa iba-ibang klase niyan. So, this one na lang. Okay. And we have to get the other one. Skittles.
Skittles.
Kuya wants the Skittles as well to add. Skittles. Go down, Baba. Here. That one? Let me see. Okay, let's go. That's it. Malulubat na yung ating camera. Dito kami sa farm. May kukunin lang tayo dito. And si Holly, check niya yung strawberries niya. Go, Baba, hurry up. Ayan, namumulak-lak. They're still not ripe, Baba. They're still green. Okay, this one red. Ito maraming flowers din to. Ay, nagsilakihan na siya. Ay, saan kayo? Ayan. Ano na siya? Nag-grow na siya. Before akala ko wala. Hindi siya mag-grow. Here, there's more here. Okay. Where's your party bag? The paper bag. When you had your party. Andito na yung sa horse. Balik naman dito sa bahay si Jan. Ayun, naghihintay. Oh, eating yan? Huh?
You did it?
Yes, I did.
Thanks.
You're welcome. That one. Check it. I found the big one. I said they don't have it.
Yeah.
That one? Alright. Okay, Baba. Si Kuya, binabalot niya yung kanyang pang-Chris Pringle. Sabi ko ako magbabalot. Yung dalawa nagtulungan. Okay, gawin natin yung cake kasi si Jan matutulog na. Kasi mag-fishing siya bukas. Kailangan niyang linisin yung pots. Kasi ilang araw siya hindi nag-fishing, diba? Dahil sa weather. So bukas, mag-fishing siya. And yung aking cake, yung stand, ano ba, yung ginagamit kong stand for the cake. Wala, ay! Nakalimutan ko. Diba guys, pagod na ako. Wait na. Why? Ang linis. I have to strip this side. And show them what I bought for your dad. Bumili ako ng foil na balloon.
I can blow it up for you.
Thank you.
I want helium. So I can put my...
No. It's dangerous, you know?
Yeah.
Bitch.
And I'll put it on.
Ako nasa mic.
Yeah, but you put it on, but I'll blow it up.
Okay. Oh, ito pa naman. Here. Right. Here, see the arrow? That's it.
Is he gonna get you a PlayStation
I
card?
don't know. I said no. I said lollies.
Look at that. What's this? Yeah, hit one stump.
Okay. That's up. Just do this up. Ganda. Malaki pala yan.
It's the best player.
Here's your
That
muscle.
it ain't blowing up.
Huh? Eh?
Oh, there you
Yeah. You don't have to. You just got
Got him! Straight through him!
go. Scotty!
Meron sila ng cricket live. Where are they playing? Brisbane?
I'll just get
That
them.
was a
Okay. Upo ka dun.
He's the best bowler. Well, after
Oh,
stuff.
is it? Oh. What's this swing, Zach?
Mom, where's the other one?
I know.
Oh.
You know he got 6 wickets on his debut? Dad? And a duck.
You like it, Mom?
Huh?
You like it?
Yeah, who else?
Wait, Dad, you know
And
he got
meron akong
6
biniling
wickets on his debut?
50 na cake topper.
Dad, on his
Just be
debut,
careful, pa.
He got 6
Ayan.
wickets.
Napump na ni
But
John.
he made 7 runs off him.
50.
Dad, there's another one.
Yeah, just the 5. And, Kuya, you're gonna hold the 5 and Sak will hold the 0.
Why not me?
Just like this. Ang laki nito.
Holly.
Hindi ako ng helium.
Oh!
Kasi pwede naman nila hawakan.
Yeah.
25 or 30. 25 or, yeah. Eto mas malaki. Siguro $30 to kasi yung maliit nito is 25. Nag-asa ko before nung kay Holly. So, tapos ipuputok lang sayang. 25 per number. What? Careful, Baba.
Mom, it's a floating.
I know it's like a float. Ayan na.
Is that the right way?
No. Yeah. It's do it properly na. Zach.
That's the wrong way, Zach.
No, it's right, honey. 5.
Oh.
No, I think we're going back to that.
No, wrong way.
It's the right
Yeah, you
way.
got to go that side. Or we can go, you go there, put the O there, and they'll only make me 5.
Saturday.
Hurry up, Ronnie Rizzler.
Kuya.
I hope you
We can have a photo shoot first. Photo shoot.
I'm
holding it.
Holly's
Ang
holding.
laki naman ito.
Holly, I'm holding the phone.
Yeah, it's huge.
Right.
It's alright, Holly. The boys will. Oh, the cake suck!
You can stand behind. I suppose you need a lighter. Huh?
Just, you know what? I'm just gonna hang this one here. No one will hold. Just put it here.
Dad, here, Dad, here, Dad, here.
Holly.
Wait, Mum, you've got another pump here.
Wait.
I've got a lighter, Zach. Hang on,
Don't, no lighter though. I'm just, where's the sticky? The sticky.
You need a lighter, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, dikit na lang kasi nag-aaway sila. Where's my double side tape? Nagawan ko na ng paraan, guys. Okay. Come on, let's have a photo.
I've got my friend next to them.
It's too crowded, you know, got things here. Go that way. You go that way. We're going here.
No, go here.
No. Standing up.
Mum, yeah. Down, 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 down.
Okay.
Look, that is not perfect.
It's alright. No ball. Yeah.
Dad, did Mum put a spray there to see how it goes?
No.
Yes, she did.
Did not.
Where?
Yeah.
Dad, Mum, did you put a spray on Dad's bald spot?
No.
Oh, I swear
What?
you did.
Huh? Is it on?
Yep, let's go. Let's talk. Come on.
I'm gonna have a photo first.
No, you don't sit down.
What?
Come
No, I'm just gonna remove
on.
this chair so I can.
Yep.
Okay, smile. Well, I'm just feel it. Don't look the screen, the little one there, but honey.
I'm not doing anything, Holly. Come on, put it.
Come on. Step back. Okay, where's the?
Later.
Swiftly timed away through it, the onside, and Jax has another boundary.
It's not hot, huh?
Wow.
Okay, sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip,
Hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip
hip hip, hooray. Okay. Wish.
Why?
Make a wish.
I'll kiss you first.
And make
Happy
a
Happy
birthday.
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 Okay, I'm gonna get your.
I'm shocked.
Oh, yeah, but this Zachary.
Suck, you're too big for. You're too big for that.
That hot?
Not really. I like go. Right, let's try pass it. Just pass. He's happy that he bowled me out.
Mom, can I take it off? The candles?
Candles.
Can I take the candles off?
They're not
Okay, Daddy.
Dad.
And make sure you don't.
hit the bottom then. Hit the bottom. Why don't you hit the bottom?
Like your wish would come true. Okay, can you get
So you can get rid of it.
Yeah, can you get him a spoon?
fork?
Or ice cream with this?
Can you wash for you? No.
Yes.
No.
You just hit the bottom.
Oh, look at that.
You can have a few spoons.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Mum, I want the tiniest spoon you can do.
Right.
Ready? I'll show
Put it
you.
on that plate.
Oh, it's on there.
Here for you. Holly.
Alright, Mum. Ready? I'll show you. Ready?
You want one, yeah? No, well.
Let me test it.
Test it.
Yes, good Dave, yeah.
That's good.
Let you find good. Tape's alright. Combine. Out.
Oh, you haven't any ribs?
Careful.
It's actually alright now.
Alright, you've got a bit of both.
Never liked it.
Because you like the other one, mud cake. Or not, chocolate cake, your cake.
Make mud next time.
Well, Daddy likes that one. Kuya likes
Do you like
sponge.
mud cake? Yeah. Have more.
You want more?
Okay.
You want more?
Yeah, please.
Okay. You said just tiny.
Careful.
The tension is building around this possible last
Kita ko sa inyo.
Can I have that on it as well?
Yeah.
Let me try, Baba.
Is there a barber? No. He's like, oh yeah.
Where?
Did you really trust him?
Oh, it's all good, babe. You wanna have a shower?
Yeah.
Wow.
What good?
Bit of coffee?
I'm proud of it again. tayo. Ang sarap! My God.
Mom, you want more bite?
Yeah. You want more? The cake is good. So soft. Baba, you have to eat the cake. Grabing ganda ng sponge. Super spongy.
Your future first with strong long-term investment returns, competitive fees, and the choice to talk to real people either in your area, online, or on the phone. Because we're here to benefit members, not shareholders.
So yun yung 50th birthday celebration namin kay Jam. Then sa Sunday, we're gonna have a nice dinner at the barn. Okay, happy birthday, Bab. Tomorrow is not your birthday. So,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna close our vlog. Thank you.
Thank you.
Subscribe.
Please like, please subscribe, and yeah, see you next week. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you so.